In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create real account on Exness. The first thing you do is open up your Exness app. Now I already have one real account, which is what you can see over here. This is my real account. I want to create another one, so tap on the account, tap on plus and choose real account. Now this is a real account, so you can see all this is recommended. This is standard. You also have the standard cent, which is the basic. So standard account with micro lots instead, perfect for beginners. The minimum deposit is 10 USD, spread is from 0.3 and there's no commission. This is the next one, which is the pro account. You choose between instant or market execution. It has low spreads and zero commission. Minimum deposit is 500 USD. The spread is from 0.1. We also have the raw spread, which is for professionals. Low raw spreads and a low fixed commission. Minimum deposit is $500 US. Spread is from 0.0 and the commission is from 0.0 US. Then we also have the next account, which is a zero account, which is professional account also. You get zero spreads for 95% of the trading day on 30 pairs. Minimum deposit is 500 USD. Your spread at best is from 0.0. Commission is from 0.05 US. So that's the last contract. As you can see, these are the instruments and trading conditions. So you have them over here, starting from the standard cent. Starting from the standard, the standard cent, the pro, raw spread, and the zero. So you choose the one you want. And once you're through, you can also change it at the top by tapping on this get icon at the top to choose whether you want an MT5 account. It gives you access to all of Exness mobile app features, or you want an MT4 account, which is limited, which has limited functionality, and the trading is only done in MetaTrader. So you choose the one you want, and then you tap on continue. Let's say I want the standard. I tap on continue. Then you choose the currency you want to trade in. Don't forget your account settings. Choose your leverage. Now, what is leverage? Leverage allows you to trade large volumes using only a fraction of the actual funds on your account. Trading with leverage potentially means higher profits or losses. Gives you an account nickname. Once you're done, tap on continue. Then you put in your trading password. Don't forget to save your trading password right away, because it cannot be sent to your email due to security purposes. And once you're through, follow the prompt for the other steps, and that's it. It's as simple as that.